Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to continue working on part 9 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to create all of this. Now, we're going to continue working on this more. Um, I'll be working at the back here because I want to create a casing here as well. I'm going to use a model in place, generic model, and then we're going to use a sweep to create here. So sweep, pick a path, and then we're gonna pick this line, which is the line for the window. And then we want to make sure that this is connected. And then here, after that, click Finish, Edit Profile, and we're going to add a rectangle. Here, it's going to be around, make it 50. And then for the height, make it 100. So it's easy to remember. Click Finish, and then Finish again, and then change the material to something different. So here, let's do something with a brick, but obviously you're not gonna put a brick here, brick as a material. This is just to change it. Click Finish, and at least it will look better. We're going to do that here as well. So let's do another model in place, generic model, and it will be another sweep. So here, sweep again, pick a path. So usually it's a 3D path. Same goes to the other side. So we're just extending this because this is consists of the second floor. And I just want to make sure that I covered everything. Trim here. After you're done, edit profile, and then rectangle. Same goes there. 100. And then here is 50. Click Finish. Finish again, and then the material, change it. Let's use a different material, or we could just use this. It will be the same look. Anyway, let's be consistent. So we have a casing there. I want to do a sweep as well for this. So you could do is edit. We could do an edit in place, and then now create and then sweep here. We just want to give some profile look on this. So pick path, pick the edges here, and then after you finish, you create the profile. I just want to add a casing here. It will be another rectangle, and I just want to give it a bit of an overhang. So let's make this as 210. So hopefully I put this 5 on each. And then I just want to create a small notch here. And let's pull this one down somewhere here. Delete that small one, SL, and then trim it. Let's change the material. This one, it's a different one, so let's change it to something metal. Let's use this cladding and then click finish and then finish again. Now there's a bit of an overhang and it will look amazing once we add materials. Let's do it here as well at the top to give it more character. What you can do is click here, edit in place, and then this will be another sweep. Pick path, pick the edges. Click finish, edit profile, create your profile. Maybe would make this as consistent as well. So 200, and then click here. I want it to be 205, and then here I want it to be 210. So now it's 5 on each side, and then I'll create a small nudge like here and a small nudge as well here. So I'm going to mirror this. Let's mirror it right here. Delete the small ones first. SL, that's split element. And then now let's trim it. Click finish, and let's just leave it as the same materials as before. Now it looks nicer because of that simple thing that we did. Okay. Now let's add in the curtain grid. I'm gonna add the curtain grid like this on this side. I want to basically divide them. So I'm gonna go to my south elevation. I want to do it properly with dividing them on the same one. And here we go. Usually Revit will give you that. And then you can keep on dividing. I think that's good. And on the other side, we just need to align them all together. So I'm gonna do it on my 3D view. So here you could just add it in between, and then let's align it afterwards so that it's not confusing, and it does you could just keep on aligning it afterwards. So similar to this, align it from here. So the source first before the one that you want to move. And then here you just need to delete this one. There you go. So we're just gonna add in the mullion on this side. like that. But for here, let's add in the let's add this one. Let's divide this as 3, and then let's add in 500 at the top. So we could have a door like that later on. This one, let's leave it like that. This, let's divide this into 2 and then give 500 at the top. Even though it's 400, we could just align it later on like that. Here, we need to add in a door here. So we cannot create the same one that we did in the front. So this one, let's just do like that. And then now here, let's add the 500 first. Okay, so we have the 500. We could just align that, EL. And then now let's divide it. Maybe this one, we could divide it by 4. Let's see, 1260. So that will be, so let's divide it by 3. So 840 and then 840 like that. Here, let's see the division. So this one is 15, so we could do 800. So around 700, 770, and 770. So that's proper. And we could get 1 or 2 of them as a door. So now let's add in the mullion. So press escape, architecture, click on mullion, and let's use 50 by 65. All grid first. So let's add this one as all grid, and then this one as well. We could do this as well. Here we still need to add in a different look here. For this one, we need to by grid. So by grid line, we're just gonna add it like that. Okay, and then now let's go below, and then on the side here, and then here at the top. I think I need to flip this one like that to flip up the mullion on this side. So that looks nice. I like the look. And then now this one, let's just add the grid line first. So divide it properly. There we go. And just divide it like that. So once you're done, you just need to click on the mullion and then all grids. And there you have it. We have our mullions like that. We might flip it backwards because it's facing the other way, if you notice the mullion. So now we just need to go back to level 3, or we could just go to our 3D. So here, let's go to our level 4. And what we could do is we could use our view range. So let's go and flip this. And below unlimited. And then here we could just change our graphics or transparency. There we go. There we go. This one there. Flip. Click that one. Oops. We already have it. This one. Flip. I always miss it. There we go. Click that one. That is. And then now if we see, it looks much better. So you just check your mullions if it's facing outside. So far so good. We have everything molded. Now we could just do is we can even add some windows here so that we have um, something here from the stairs. So let me do that. Level 2. And then let's add in curtain wall and just add a small one right here. And then cut geometry. Just pull that up a bit. AL. And then let's add in curtain grid. And then mullion all grid line. So let's add in the door for this. So you need to go to insert, load family, and then go back to the main, go to doors, and then you need to look for door, curtain, wall, single glass. Click open, and then here, what you need to do is select one panel by clicking tab multiple times until you can select one of this. So once you select this, you can change it with a different one. So it already changed. You're not seeing the handle because we need to go to find. So we're gonna flip that later on. We just need to add 2 more right here. So I'm planning to add in the doors right here. So here I'm gonna select, keep on pressing tab, and then change this to a door, and then click on that again, keep on tabbing, go to level 1 or level 2 first, flip this around, and then for level 1 you can flip this way. After that, what we could do is we could just double check. We could remove this mullion right here by clicking on tab. Once we delete that, at least it will look like that with the door. And then we could remove this as well. So a little bit of cleanup when you're doing a curtain wall door, similar to what we just did. Here as well, we just need to delete the one mullion at the bottom to clean it up. And then obviously that's the case of that and here. So we're good. So let's leave it here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.